Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Himani Singh and welcome to my channel Train Your Brain. Today our topic is number system. In this, I'll be giving you the introduction to number system and the types of numbers. So let's get started. Our first topic is number system. What is number system? The collection of numbers is called number system. When we take a bunch of numbers together, they are known as number system. For example, we are taking this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18, 19, 100, 200, and whatever, and many more. So this is a collection of various numbers. So they will be called a number system. Moving on, we'll be doing the types of numbers here. There are various types of numbers. The first type of number is natural number. The first type is natural number. So what is natural number? Natural numbers are the counting from numbers from 1 to infinity. So because we do not know where these numbers end, so we use infinity. So natural numbers are the counting from numbers from 1 to infinity. They are positive and lie on the right hand side of lie on the right hand side of number line. Suppose this is a number line. No, we are taking it as a rough. Suppose this is a number line and here it's 0. So the numbers which lie here are known as natural numbers because they are positive and they lie on the right hand side. Now let us draw the number line first. Yeah. So now the moving on to the next set of number, which is whole number. Whole number. What are whole number? The numbers from 0 to infinity are known as whole numbers, and they are also positive and lie on the right hand side of number line. So these are natural numbers as well as whole numbers. And natural numbers are generally denoted with an N, capital N, and whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Natural numbers are denoted with a capital N and whole numbers are denoted with a capital W here. So what is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers? As they end in infinity, they are positive and lie on the right hand side also. The difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is natural number starts with 1 and whole number starts with 0. So you can say that every natural number is a whole number. Is a whole number, but it cannot be reversed. You can say this, but you cannot say that every whole number is a natural number because 0 is not a natural number. Moving on to the next, which is whole numbers, integers, which is integers. So what are integers? Integers are whole numbers but they are both positive and they are negative. The integers are whole numbers but they are both positive and negative. So you can say that this from the right hand side of 0 is whole number and natural number, but this whole from the right hand side and left hand side both, they are integers. And integers are generally denoted with z. Integers are denoted with z, capital Z. Next is rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? Next is rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which are written in the form of p by q and where q isn't equals to 0. Natural numbers are the numbers written in the form of p by q, where q isn't equals to 0, because if q is equals to 0, then they would be considered as not defined. So here we can write any number by we can example of this is 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 6 by 4. These all are rational numbers. They are positive. Their rational numbers are positive and negative both, and they are denoted by q. Rational numbers are denoted by q. Now moving on to the next type, which is irrational numbers. Now, what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q, which cannot be written in the form of p by q. And an example for the same are some examples are pi, 2.1.4464, and root 3, root 7, root 5. Now, when we are writing root, keep in mind that there should not be a perfect root, because if we write root 4, then root 4 will be equal to 2, and 2 can be written in the form of p by q as 2 by 1, which would make the same thing. And so 2 by 1 would be a rational number. So we cannot write the root which is a perfect root. Next is real number. So what are real numbers? Real numbers are nothing but the collection of rational numbers plus irrational numbers would result in real numbers. So real numbers are nothing but rational numbers and irrational numbers combined together, and real numbers are denoted by r. Real numbers are denoted by r, capital R to be precise. Now moving on, we have another topic to cover up, which is decimals. Now you might be wondering what are decimals, or you might already know what are decimals because you have studied it for in the previous classes. So basically decimals are another way of representing rational numbers, or you can call it fractions, because rational numbers are also called as fractions. Suppose let us take a rational number which is 2 by 1, or we can take a rational number which is 1 by 2. How would you make it in a decimal form? It would be just 0.5. So this is a rational number and this is a decimal. So basically decimal is another way of representing a rational number. Now how would you find that 0.5 is the decimal number for this respective rational number? All you need to do is just take the numerator as the quotient and the denominator as the divisor and divide it. So what would we get? Now 2 is a bigger number than 1, so we would put a dot point here and add a 0 here. Now 2 into 5 is 10, so here we did it. Now answer is 0.5. We can add a 0 here, it wouldn't matter. Now the answer is 0.5, so hence you can calculate it by this. Now let us take one more example, which is another example, which is 1.4, 1 upon 4. Now what can we write 1 upon 4 as? Let us calculate. The denominator would be the divisor and the numerator would be the quotient. Now let us see. Now we would point to 1 here, point here. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So we cannot put a greater digit here, so we will just put 4 2s are 8. Now remainder is 2. We would again put a 0 here because we already had a point here, so we can add as many 0 as we want. Now 4 5s are 20. So it would cancel out. Now answer is 0.25, which would be 0.25. Now you would not pronounce it as 0.25, you would pronounce it as 0.25. Thank you for watching my video. That is all for today. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much again.